G'day, welcome back to the Autodata Training Workshop. Another tech tip for you today. This one's on turbochargers, or actually premature turbo failures and how it's linked to DPF regeneration. The turbos failed on this vehicle. The vehicle was less than 4 years old, had less than 60,000 kilometres on the clock and had never missed a scheduled service. So why did the turbos fail? If you've watched our video on DPF regeneration, you'll see that manufacturers use about 3 different methods to get the DPF up to temperature for regeneration. This one here uses dosing. Dosing is where the injector puts extra fuel in to get the DPF up to operating temperature for regen, and some fuel can go down past the piston rings and into the lubricating oil. So what happens is the lubricating oil loses its properties, and that's what happened with this vehicle. Lack of lubrication caused the turbochargers to fail. So how can we stop this from happening? Well, if you've got a customer with a vehicle that uses dosing for DPF regeneration, first you've got to educate the customer. Stop-start city driving is really hard. That causes lots of problems. You're going to have more frequent dosing. So if they can change the way they drive to work, get the vehicle up to highway speeds regularly, that's going to be a good start. The other thing is, get them to check and monitor their oil level on the dipstick regularly. Any increase of oil on the dipstick is due to excess diesel fuel making the oil level rise, so it loses its lubricating properties. So that's a no-no. The other thing is you might have to have more frequent oil changes than what's scheduled by the manufacturer due to their driving style. So if you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments, or if you'd like access to our full Autodata Training library, why not get a subscription today? I'm Hatton, thanks for watching.